Hey guys, this is Rafa with Rafa Racing, back at COTA, here for the Edge Addicts event. As you can see, the weather's not really cooperating. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get wet tires. Slicks is all I have, or at least my street tires is not very good for as much rain as is coming down. So I've missed the last few sessions. We've had a few rain delays. It's been quite a bit of lightning coming through, so it's just one of those things that can't control the weather and just make the best of it. So just here, having fun with the guys and enjoying the other cars out here. So hopefully today I can get a session in for the end of the day. I have a professional coach, Dave Scott, who's going to be riding with me and kind of give me some instructions. So I was hoping to get some in the win, but it doesn't look like it's going to be possibly happening today. So we'll see. I'll keep you guys posted. So it looks like the sky finally cleared. I missed the first 4 sessions. And I even tried to go in Dale Bowman's, one of the guys on our team, tried to go in his 570S, and there was an incident right as I was going out. So it doesn't appear like it was meant to be for me today to actually get track time and practice in the rain. But right now the sky is looking really good. Sun's coming out, so it should dry up for me to be able to get one session in today, and then tomorrow is going to be a perfect day. It's going to be a little colder, so it might take a little while to get the tires warmed up, but outside of that, it should be nice and dry, and should get some good laps in tomorrow. I wanted to go over kind of tell you a little bit about what the number on the car means and sort of what represents me. 812, it represents the months that my kids were born in and the month that my wife was born in. So my son was born in August, my wife and daughter were both born in December. So 812 is very near to me, kind of coming out here, racing, putting my life in danger to some degree. Every time I get out there, I wanted to ensure that the people that I stand for were represented on my car, and that I was always keeping them in mind as I'm out here. So being careful, being safe, but also having fun and trying to do as good as I can. That's the end to day 1 here. Unfortunately, a pretty disappointing day. It was just rain non-stop. We had several rain delays with lightning. I actually did get a chance to go out once on my street tires, and it was just very slippery, sliding around everywhere. I think my best lap time was like 3 minutes, and hopefully next time I actually have my wits, so I can actually get better times, but even enjoy it a little bit more. But yeah, it was super slippery. I've never really driven a track like that, and it was pretty wild. So hopefully tomorrow, with the weather drying up, and once the track kind of warms up, we can actually put some time in. So this is day 2 of the event here with Edge Addicts at COTA. It's like 39 degrees this morning. It's going to be pretty wet. Still got a little rain overnight. So it's going to be wet and cold. Tires are going to take quite a bit to catch some grip and be able to, maneuver the way it's supposed to. I think we're going to be taking it pretty easy. The first few laps around and see what the track is like, and hopefully by the end of the day, when the temperature gets to like 50 and dries up, we'll be able to actually go out and get after it. slippery as expected. Didn't do anything like, it was like a 248, I think the best time, and that was still the car sliding around. And then this last time around, was able to get a 232. Still kind of slippery, but it seems like the track is drying up and getting hot. So I'm actually in the process of changing my my slicks on instead of my street tires. So that way we can actually test out the track and see how the car does. But yeah, looking forward to getting on the slicks and seeing if we can get it warm enough. It's like 50 degrees, 48 degrees now. So we'll see how how that goes. That's a wrap on the event. Edge Addicts here, December 21. It was eventful, a lot of incidents, accidents, a lot of cars. The weather didn't really cooperate. Today it did, later part of the session. It was great weather, only thing was there's a lot of cars out there, so I couldn't really say a personal time. There was not a lap that I did a clean lap on, but I did catch a lot of videos, passing a lot of cars, which is indicative of how well I was doing. So hoping that next time out we'll be able to clock a better time, but at the end of the day it's really just a lot of fun and still getting experience and learning a lot. So I'm looking forward to the next event.